Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to the Crafty Bird. I hope you are all doing fine. Today's tutorial is about this beautiful macrame hat. So let's get started. To make this, you need 10 inches of piece. This is polyester cord and this is 1 mm in thickness. You need 10 cords of 12 inches folded in half and pick this middle portion and place it under this cord and then just attach this . Once you attached all the 10 cords, now pick the last cord like this, keep the position like this, and one by one pick all the working cords and wrap over this. These are half inches, like this. So this is your resting cord and these are all working cords below. Pick the working cords one by one and wrap over the resting cord. So we just completed our project today. I hope you love this beautiful little heart. You can use this macrame heart in as many projects as you want. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Until the next tutorial, take care of yourself and Khuda Hafiz.